Hi everybody, it's me and today we are just playing some Minecraft. If you noticed, I got a new I got a new I got a new what's the name of that? I got a new um oh my god. So I got a new a new skin. So what we're gonna play today is coming soon. I cannot play that. So before we even play that, I'm just really gonna do this parkour that I ever actually solved. Yes. No! I did not make that. What does this say? You found Easter egg 5. Treat us in. Oh! Oh! Oh, I'm gonna try to find all of the Easter eggs. Wait, what's up there? Wait, I think it's part of the, it's part of the block hunt. I mean, not the block hunt, Easter egg hunt. Even though it's not Easter. Okay, so I think it's a mace. Yeah, how do people even get below this thing? Did they have to go like through a really weird maze? Because I don't know how to get on this. I think those are the part. What? Oh my god, I am gonna somehow skip all the parkour and try to get up here. Wait, what's down here? I fell out of the world. No. Slash LOBBY. Okay. I think I should just go somewhere. Jump on top of this. Please don't tell me I'm gonna fall out of the world. Oops. Space. So this is just a quick teleport, and I guess we'll play how to play. Jump here. This is a checkpoint. Okay. Oh, I think the space race is like a parkour map. And there will be ender pearl jumps. There will be boost pads. No! I was so bad at that. Well, not really. So I'm just, I guess I. What? Where do I start? Okay, I am freaked out because no. Is that jump even possible? Okay, now I think I should just walk on top of this. And there's that. I'm just waiting. Wait, is like the whole game in this lobby thing? Yeah, I think so. But like, no, this is so hard. I'm gonna go up here. Am I supposed to flip that lever? I can't. That's so weird. So I'm just gonna parkour and I'm gonna. No, I just missed that whole entire jump. How did I do that? How did I miss that? Hey, he has my old skin too. Wait, what? Sorry. Paper flower. How to play? Compare. No. How did I miss that? Was there like a head jump? No, there wasn't. Oh, space race. Use replay. Okay, so 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I think this is gonna teleport us somewhere. How? What? Wow! Dang it! No! Dang it. Just gonna sprint through this race thingy machingy. No. I'm just gonna keep jumping and I'm just gonna keep pressing. No! Oh, it just teleports you back to your point. Just gonna keep pressing sprint jump. No, okay, I got an idea. And I'm just gonna keep jumping. And when I get to that very last jump, I'm gonna stop. Skip jumping. Oh. Okay, so I guess I'll just keep on jumping. Oh wait, I think you're supposed to stay on the orange and that will boost you. Or are you supposed to stay on the borders? God, this thing is so hard. It gives you super speed, but it doesn't really give me speed. It gives me jump boost. Wait, no. That isn't the famous YouTuber that has a skin that always falls. I am so bad at parkour, even the easy one. This is such easy parkour and I am failing it. Okay, this is gonna... How? Got an idea. I'm just gonna keep on sprint jumping and see if that miracle that happened to me will happen again. Is it like 3 a.m. where that person lives? Because she's has like one of the Halloween. That No, I'm going up. Got an idea. I'm gonna take a shortcut. Wait a minute. I got this. This is... Oh, dang it. Why did I... Okay. I got an idea. What? Is there like some invisible block in that jump? Forgot. Oh, I think I got an idea. Wait, no. Ah, there's like some kind of invisible jump. Oh my god. No! No! Wait a minute, I got an idea. No! What? No! Dang it! So many people are like stuck on this. No, that invisible block is on both of the sides. No, I don't. Okay, so guys, I hope you... Oh, I'm coming. Oh, hi, I'm back. So it's just that my mom... Mami, me estás interrumpiendo? So I'm sorry about that. So yeah. So I'll be right back. So I'm gonna close these two doors. You can see me. So yeah, I'm sorry about that interruption. And I don't even know if you can see me right. So I'm just gonna turn this on and fine. We're not gonna play this. I just wanted to see what this was. End race. And we will not play this anymore. And that wasn't really like a TNT run. No. Where is the back to hub, Steve? So, where should I go now? So, I think I should go to the space race. Solo Skywars. What's Skywars? Dang it! Who was that? No! I am so bad at parkour! Oh, hello. No. How? What? No, I can't shift on the edge. What the heck? Oh, you thought you could be sneaky. Oh, okay, starting. 7, 6,